like them. It sucks me out of doing like them.
Hi guys! Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and I'm here with the Allure April 2024 box. And this box is $25 a month, and you're guaranteed 3 full-size items. Now this box usually has a little bit more high-end than, say, BoxyCharm or whatever. So, generally, not always, but generally. So, I just snagged a nail trying to open it. Anyhow, I had this partially done once, and I couldn't get something open, and I got so frustrated, I just said, I'm starting over. So, anyway, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like when you open it up. And this is just a little booklet saying everything that's in it and the prices and all that stuff. There's that. Okay. Now, the first thing I'm pulling out is Grande Lash MD. And this is what I was struggling to open. So I just said, screw it. It's still got plastic. From here down, I couldn't get it off. But anyhow, this is just a lash serum, and you just put it across your lashes. So, there's that. And it's valued at, I believe it was $68, but I'm going to double check that. Yeah, it's $68, and that's full size. Okay, let's see what else is full size in here. Oh. And then we have Vitamin E Bag Balm. And it's $6.99 for 3 ounces. 0.3 ounces, so that's what this is. So, did I read that right? Yeah, this is full size. I was like, did I read that right? Why must they do this? I can't get it again. They make this stuff so hard to open. And sometimes you just want to give up and throw it across the room and say, I didn't want it anyway. There, I think I got it started. There, it's good enough. It's not all the way off, but it's good enough. There, I got it all the way off. Okay. And it's one of those kind of lids. I'm just going to stick it here on my hand for you. And it's just like a Vaseline type. And basically, it's just, they call it bag balm because they used to use it on cow nipples. And so, that's what that's for. But you can use it on your nipples too. You know, if you're breastfeeding. Okay, then we got Frudia. And this is green grape pore control cream. 0.35 ounces. And this is valued at $24.10 for 1.94 ounces. However, on Amazon, you can get this size, and it's about $8.99. So we're just going to open it up and look at it. But yeah, I did notice that. You can get it for about this size. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like when you open it up. Did I show you the bottle? The bottle's kind of cute. Look at that bottle. It's cute. And this is just, see, it's, I don't know if you can see it there. I'm going to put put some of it back in there because I'm just going to be sampling it here, but this is what it looks like. And it's just like a gel that you just rub in. It's kind of nice. It's kind of nice. So we'll set that down there. Okay. Yeah, that's it's called a mini, but you can get the mini on Amazon. I saw that. So, then we get this. It's KÉRASTASE SOIN ACIDE CHROMA gloss. It's an in-shower at-home gloss that can extend your hair color. Jeez. And this is what it looks like. This is the deluxe sample. Normally this is, what does that say? $58 for 230 mil. There's that. Just, whoa! And it just all poured right out on top of me. And it's a clear liquid. So you might want to watch that. Yes, it's all down on top of me and it's just clear liquid. Like water. It's not water. It smells, but it's not water. But yeah, it just ran everywhere. So there's that. There's that. Okay, then the next thing we have, good Lord, I got it everywhere now, but it's like an oil kind of base after you get the initial water off of it. Then the next thing is, let me see if I can see this. It's by Rosie Jane, and it is, what's the name of that? Maybe I can see it on here better. It's MISSY, and it's a perfume oil. I don't know why they insist on doing that. You can almost see that, you know. They think it makes it simple, but it doesn't. All it does is makes it harder for you to see, and I would assume harder to see on the shelf. But this is a roll-on, and it's perfume oil. I'm going to just roll it right here. I'm going to put it somewhere where I can, here, put it on this one. But, it, you know, you're supposed to just put it on your pulse points. And it's kind of a florally scent. It smells like, what is that flower? Let's see if I can see it on here. It's a blend of mandarin, coconut, and it's scented with sunscreen. Okay. I guess it does kind of smell like a day at the beach. But this is, you know, full-size roll-on oil, and it is valued at can't read it. $46. So this alone paid for your box again. So then you get a $100 voucher for Naked Wines. But, you know, I won't use that because. And then the last thing is Science Color equals Beautiful Skin Sun-Kissed Glow Bronzer. And it's from Charlotte Tilbury. I was rather excited to get this because I've never tried her bronzer. Although that $100 moisturizer one is so bad, I can't. No. It takes all day to soak in, and isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. It's a good size pan too. Let's see how much. Oh yeah, it's a very good size pan because, see, it's a very good size pan. So let's just, oh, it's very creamy. I'm going to stick it right here just so you can see on my light. And that's what that looks like. So it'd be like right here. I use a lot of bronzer right there. Just kind of shadow it back so it doesn't look like I got this big old thing. But yeah, I'm really glad to get that. But yeah, her $100 water, I forget what it was called, but it's a water thing. And it's a moisturizer. I couldn't wear it. So, oh, I forgot to tell you how much Charlotte was. She was their grand poobah this time, shall we say. Okay, and it was $58. For that size pen, that's not really bad. And for Charlotte Tilbury, you know. And that is the Allure box. I'll leave all the links below where you can find these products if you want the individual products. And if you want to sign up for Allure, I'll leave that link down there. And, you know, the base is $25 a month. But they do have where you can pay, you get it cheaper if you pay for like 3 months, 6 months, or a year, you know. So just so you're aware of that. And also, I believe they give you a discount off your first box. And if there's a discount link, I will leave that down below too. So if you like what you see here, hey, we do all kinds of unboxings. We unbox beauty boxes, subscription boxes, mystery boxes, FabFitFun, TikTok, Temu. We just do it. So anyway, like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. Come on back. Bye.